Hi, in this video I'm going to show you two basic things. The first things I will talk about gameobject 3D. For example, like how to add and how to move, how to change the scales and how to rotate. And I will talk about how to add the color and how to add the texture. And the second things, I will talk about lighting. So we go to the first topic about how to add a 3D game object in Unity. So in here, if you see the toolbar, there is a game object. So you can click here and choose 3D game object. For example, like you want to add a cube, so you can click cube. So in Unity let you modify or change the position or rotate or change the scale directly using the mouse. For example, like here you want to change and you can click and then drag it, change the position XYZ and rotate it. But there's another way. You can use transform in inspector window here. So if you already know where or the angle or the scale, you can directly put the number in this field. For example, like you want to put this cube into 0, 0 position, so you can just type here 0, 0 and 0. So this is very basic things. Okay, and the next one, how about if you want to add a color? So I will show you how. So you go first you go to here, assets, and create materials. So for example, like here you can change directly the name. For example, is blue. Okay, so here, so you can click, select here, and then in the inspector window you can choose it, double click here, and then you can change the color. For example, like want to last blue, right? Blue. Okay, done. So you can close the window just now. So this is already blue, and then how to attach to the cube here. So there's two ways. You can directly drag to here, or you select this cube and drag to the inspector window. So just that easy. So this is a color, but we try to add another game object. For example, like sphere. Okay, so sphere is like you see here, the cube position is 0, 0, 0, and the sphere is also 0, 0, 0. So they are in the same position, so you can try to move the other object. Okay, like this. And now you can see the sphere. Now the next one, how about if you want to add a texture? So I will show you how. The first thing is the same. You need to create a new materials, and then you can give any name as you like. Texture, or maybe wall texture. Okay, so right here I'm already download a picture from any website. For example, you can search in using Google, so you can drag it to here, assets window. So now you have a texture here. So you need to select just now the texture, the materials, and then you can drag the texture to here. Okay, so now you have a material with basketball textures attached on it. So, and then now you can directly to drag to here. As you see, this sphere already have a texture on it. Okay, so this is the very basic things about how to use material color and texture. So the next one, I will talk about lighting. So for now, maybe we can delete this object first. Okay. So lighting, we can see from the game object and light here. So this is have a 1, 2, 3, 4 different light. So how to use it? Okay, maybe we can add some game object plane. Okay, and then for example, okay, for now maybe we can delete the direction light first. Okay, now we don't have any light on the scene. So for example, like we want to add a point light like this, and we try to move it. Okay, so this is a point light. Okay, so how to make it small? You can click the square here and then drag it to become small. So the intensity will become very smaller. Okay, so there's another, we try another light. For example, like spotlight. Okay, so this is a spotlight. Let's say we have this. So now we have two lights, point light and the spotlight. So now we try to add a game object cube, for example. If you see here, point light, and then the cube is here. And then how to add a shadow, because as you see here, there is no shadow on the cube. So how to add it? So for example, like you want to add a shadow to the point light, so you can select the point light, and then in the inspector window you choose you can either choose hard shadow or soft shadow. So it's ready. So you can add and then you can see the shadow. Okay, there's no special things about this light. Okay, so if you can move the light and change. Okay, now how to change the color of the light? For example, like in spotlight, you want to change the color, you can click the spotlight and then in the inspector window you can select the color. Yeah, so for example we want to become red. Okay, so for example like this, and then you see here is become like a red color light. So okay, so this is a point light and spotlight. Okay, now we try to delete it, and then we try the directional light. Okay, so if you see the name here is a directional light, so this is a just direction. We just concerned about the direction. We don't care about where we put the light. We just concerned about the direction. So for example like this light is the direction is to like this way, right? So if you change, he won't affect anything, right? So for the direction light, you don't care where you put, this will be the same. You just care about the direction. For example, you want to change the direction, you can rotate something like this. You can rotate it. So the position is when you change it, you won't change the effect of the light. Okay, so this is the direction light. But so I will show you how to use a simple effect, and the effect is called flare. Right. So for example, like you want to try to add sunlight, and then you want to add a simple effect like a flare, so you can use this direction light. So the first thing, maybe we can try to set the position. So see the camera. So the camera is a y1 z minus 10, and the direction light is 0 0. So we can see 0 0. So now we can try to rotate. Okay, so now because this is the main camera, and the main camera is facing to the directional light, and the directional light is direction is just the direction to the main camera. So you can see the circle here like sunlight, like a sun. So now how about if we try to add a flare? So how to edit? So you can first go to the assets and create lens flare. Okay, so it's we can name it like a sun flare. Okay, so now this is a required texture, so I'm already download the lens flare texture. For example, we can drag to here, and then you can drag the lens to here, and then we can use one texture. So now we have a sun flare, but we need to add to the directional light. First we need to select the direction light, and then in the inspector window you will see a flare, and then we drag to here. sun flare. Okay, now maybe we can change the size. Okay, so in the scene window you can see the flare, but why in the game view it doesn't show up? So how to do that? So the main camera here, you select the main camera and then you need to add a flare layer. Okay, so then now you can see in the game view. So maybe you can smaller size. You can change the position, or even you can change the color. Yeah, so something like this. So this is a simple light effect. So until here my video, so you can try, and good luck and see you next time.